Hello children, welcome to the Max class. So as we have already started with the third chapter of Max, that is integers, today we are going to study about the other subtopic of integer, that is opposite number, which is very easy. Opposite numbers. Look at the number line. The origin O represents the number 0, which we have discussed previously. Now look at the point R on the left side in the number line. It is at the left side of the 0, which represents -3. Similarly, point C is at a distance of 3 to the right side of 0. Now the numbers represented by points which are at the equal distance from the origin but on opposite sides of it are called as opposite numbers. Now here children, as you can see, we have taken 2 points just now, that is point R, which represents -3, and point C, which represents +3 or 3. They both are the same numbers but with the opposite sign. So they are at the equal distance from the origin. So they are called as opposite numbers. So here -3 and +3 are opposite numbers. Other examples also we can see, +5 and -5 are opposite to each other. +2 and -2 are also opposite. +16 and -16 are opposite numbers. Now children, remember, the opposite of 0 is 0 itself, as we have already discussed that 0 has no sign, it is neither positive nor negative. So the opposite of 0 is 0 itself. Now children, here you can see one more example on the number line. Now here I have taken 2 points which are at the equal distance from the origin. That is, I represents -2, which is on the left side of the origin, and B represents +2, which is on the right side of the origin. Now children, you have to write this definition you have to draw this number line. You have to show both the points which we have taken, that is point I and point B. You have to draw all the number line, and you have to write this definition also. The numbers which are at equal distance from the origin and on the opposite sides of the origin are called opposite numbers. Now children, always remember, if the number is positive, so its opposite number will be a negative number, and if the number is negative integer, then its opposite number will be a positive integer. Here some examples are given. You have to write this in your notebook. Write the opposite integer of +118 equals to, that is, -118. Similarly children, you can write all these examples. Now children, what happens when you add an integer and its opposite? For example, if I am taking 42 number, +42, so its opposite side will be -42. So when both the numbers are same but with different sign, so that will get cancelled to each other and we will get the answer as 0. Now here, as you can see, I have taken 42 and the opposite of 42 is -42, means the numbers are same, only the sign is different. One is positive and the other is negative. So if the numbers are same and the sign are different, so they cancel each other and we get the answer as 0. So when we add an integer and its opposite, the answer is also 0. Like you can say the sum of two opposite number is 0. This too you have to write in your notebook. Here I have solved one more example for you. That is, I have taken the number 65. So its opposite will be -65, and 60 plus 65 minus 65, they cancel each other and we get the answer as 0. So let's solve one more examples. Here we have taken -86. Now here I have taken minus sign. So its opposite of -86 will be +86. Children, doesn't matter whether it is plus positive sign or negative sign. If one is positive and the other is negative, so they both cancel each other and we get the answer as 0. So when we are adding an integer, its opposite, the answer is always 0. Now children, remember, when you are adding the opposite number, make sure that both the numbers are same. If it is positive 86, the other number should be negative 86. Then only we will get the answer as 0. And both should have the opposite sign, one plus or an other one minus. Now children, here are some examples I have given. This you have to solve in your notebook. Write the opposites of minus 2. So simply you can write like how we have solved previously. Minus 2 equals to, what is the answer of opposite minus 2? It will be plus 2. Similarly, you can write the examples and you can solve all the 6 examples in your notebook. I have solved first one for you. In this way you can solve the rest 5 sums. Now children, based on the opposite number, you have to solve this practice set 6 which is given here. Write the opposite numbers of each of the numbers given below. So you just have to make this table and you just have to write the opposite number. Like the the number 47 is given but it has no sign. So we have already discussed this. If a number is given with no sign, it means that it is a positive number. So the opposite of plus 47 will be minus 47. So below you just have to write minus 47. Similarly, you can solve the rest sums. It is very easy. Now we will be moving to the next part of this integer chapter, that is comparison of integers. Now children, look at the number line which is given here and observe the numbers to the right side of the 0. What do you see? If we add 1 to the next number, we will get the answer as plus 2. Similarly, if we add 1 to the next number 2, we get the answer as 3. Further, if we keep on adding one number to the other number, it keeps on increasing. So in short, we can say that if we add 1 to any number to the right side, we get the number which is bigger to it. Now observe the number to the left side of 0. If we add 1 to minus 3, we will get the answer as minus 2. Now children, as we know that positive number, the number keeps on increasing. To the right side, the number keeps on increasing. Like plus 3 and plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 means the number keeps on increasing. And on the left side, the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, it keeps on increasing but with the negative sign. Now children, for example, if we compare, like our topic is comparison. Now if we compare both the positive numbers, means the number towards the right side of the origin. If we take plus 3 and plus 5, both the numbers are positive. Okay, so which one will be greater? Yes, plus 5 will be greater. So we can see that plus 5 is bigger. So we can open the crocodile mouth towards the plus 5. But children, what if when both the numbers are negative? Like how I have taken the example, minus 3 and minus 2. Now, always remember children, in negative side, like to the left of origin, to the left of the 0, that is in the negative integers, when both the numbers are negative, so the smaller number, which is the number which is very near to the origin, which are closer to the origin, that is 0, will be greater. Now here on the number line, as you can see, I have taken the two numbers, that is minus 3 and minus 2. Now I have to compare which number will be bigger from both the negative numbers. Now as I can see here that minus 2 is very much closer to the origin as compared to minus 3. So I will see that minus 2 will be bigger. So I have opened the crocodile mouth towards minus 2, that is bigger. Now one more example we can take. I have taken here minus 2 and minus 1. Now both the numbers are negative. Now you just have to check on the number line which number is very much closer to the origin. Now here as you can see that minus 1 is very much closer to the origin. So minus 1 will be greater. So crocodile mouth opens towards minus 1. Similarly, if we are taking minus 1 and 0. Now as we know that 0 has no sign, it is neither positive nor negative. Now minus 1 and 0. So 0 will be greater as compared to minus 1. So we will put the crocodile mouth open towards the 0. Now children, here I am comparing 0 with positive number. Now which one will be bigger? Now here as we see that positive numbers which we are using in our day-to-day life are always bigger than the 0, and 0 has no value. So here we can say that positive number, all positive numbers are greater than 0. So crocodile mouth open towards positive 1. Now children, we can solve all this by using that thing which I have told you just now, how to compare the numbers. Now here I have taken first example we are solving. Both the numbers are negative. Now as I have told you, no number line is given here. So now how to solve this? As I have told you that when both the numbers are negative, so always remember that always see towards the number which is very much closer to the origin. Now here we don't have the number line, but in your mind you can do it like 0 and go towards the left side. So 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So which number comes first? Yes, minus 4. So we can say that minus 4 is very much closer to the origin as compared to minus 5. So which number is bigger here? Yes, minus 4 is bigger. So I will open the crocodile mouth towards the minus 4 number. Children, you just have to mark here the bigger number. Don't go for the smaller number. Just mark the bigger number, automatically the other one will shows it as smaller. Now similarly you can solve the rest examples also. Now second is minus 15 and 0. As I have told you that 0 is always greater than minus 15. All negative numbers 0 is greater. Here minus 8 and minus 2. So here we can see that minus 2 is very much closer to the origin. So it will be greater. So children, based on the topic comparison of integers, let us solve the exercise. This is the next exercise, that is practice set 7. You have to write this in your notebook with those examples also which we have solved just now. Now here you have to write the greater sign, smaller sign and equal to sign in the box. Now first question, what we are going to solve now? Minus 4 and positive 5. Now here one number is negative and the other number is positive. So what we have discussed, like positive number is always greater than negative number. So here you can see that positive 5 is greater. So you can open the crocodile mouth towards positive 5. Now second one, same way you can do. You can see that the positive numbers are always greater than negative number. Now here both the numbers are, third one, both the numbers are positive. So we can put equal to sign. Now fourth one is negative and the other is 0. As we know that 0 is always greater than any of the negative number. Now here both the numbers are positive. So 7 is the bigger. Now 3 and 0, 3 will be bigger. So children, similarly you can solve the rest examples like rest exercise. 6 and 3, 6 will be greater, and when both the numbers are negative, so it will be equal to sign because both the numbers are having the same sign. So children, you have to solve this exercise in your notebook along with the examples and definitions which we have discussed in opposite of integers as well as in this. You have to draw that number line, and only a little bit part is remaining, that is subtraction of integer, that we will cover in the next part. Thank you.